In this video, I will be showing you how to turn a YouTube video into a presentation with Gamma AI. Let's get started. First, I'm heading over to YouTube to find the video I want to feature. I'll click the share button and copy the video URL to my clipboard. Now, back on the Gamma dashboard, I'll click on Create New with AI and select the option to import a file or URL. I'll click on Import from URL, paste the link, and hit the Import button. You'll notice an error message saying this domain isn't supported for direct import. To find a solution, I'll do a quick search and see that embedding the video is the recommended method for an interactive presentation. I'll head back to my Gamma home screen and open my existing project, Bringing Technology to Life. To add the video, I'll click the button to add a new card to my presentation. Once the card is ready, I'll type a / to open the search menu and type in embed. I'll select the video or audio embed option, which opens a media panel on the right. I'll paste my YouTube link into the box and click Go. The video is now embedded directly onto the slide. I can even click play to test it out and make sure the video runs smoothly within my presentation. This allows the audience to watch the content without ever leaving the deck. And there you have it. That's the complete process of turning a YouTube video into a presentation with Gamma AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.